Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video would tell you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and will share with you few of the freshers job opportunities as well. So let me share with you first a very cool insight. So Infosys company is hiring for the graduates. So they have passed out in 2024. So those people who have passed out in 2024 can apply with 12 plus months of industry experience, right? So this is an off-campus recruitment program, and you can see the roles. So they are hiring for the role of the package of 21 LPA. So this is a new thing that has come in the market, because till now everyone is telling that the companies like TCS, Infosys, these companies do hire at a package of 3, 3.5, and within 5 years they can hardly reach up to the package of 7 or 8 LPA. But this time Infosys has come up with a surprise. A big surprise is there in this particular recruitment program, wherein they are hiring with the package of 21 LPA. So specialist programmer L3, 21 LPA, specialist programmer L2, 16 LPA, and specialist programmer L1 is 10 LPA plus 1 like joining bonus. So if you can join quickly, you'll get the joining bonus as well with respect to 1 lakh or with respect to 75K as per your capability. So you have to apply by 29th of January 2026. That's the last date to apply. You can get the details on their career page. Meanwhile, I'll also share the links in the first comment, but try to apply from the career page itself so that it becomes easy for you. And this is for 2024 batch graduates, and you must would have completed the courses such as BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc, right? Branches are computer science, IT, data science, software engineering, EC, Triple E, and minimum 12 plus months of industry experience is required. So this is for the Infosys company, and it's about the off-campus recruitment program 2024. So okay. Now let me share few more job opportunities with you. So So apart from this, the Korean company, Yash Technologies company, is hiring for QA engineer. So they are looking for experienced QA. Experience required is 2 to 5 years. Job location is Indore, and the work schedule is 5 days a week, Monday to Friday. So candidates that have a strong background in QA and testing can apply over here. So you can send your resumes to this particular email address. Then this company is looking for senior SIT manual tester. So functional testing, manual testing experiences are required, and it would be full on-site based. And you are supposed to plan and coordinate applications, functional testing of assigned projects, test systems, reports on results, and track defects in coordination. Uh, with the business team. Then you're supposed to have testing expertise, maintain testing documents, test cases, test plans. All those things are required. Execute test, perform SIT, UAT, and non-functional test as well. So this is the email address wherein you can share your CV. Then there's a requirement for QA engineer, and it is fully AI augmented. So the requirement is for the location of Surat, and they are looking for someone who can do AI driven of testing. And the location is Surat. Experience required is 2 plus years. Salary is up to 45K. So you can reach out to this particular contact number, or email address is also provided. Then there's a requirement for QA software tester. 3 plus years of experience is required. Location is for Noida, Sector 63. Interview would be offline, and required skills are of manual automated testing, test case design, defect tracking, SDLC, STLC knowledge is required. And this is the email address. These are the contact details wherein you can apply. Then there's a requirement for QA, again, 1 plus years of experience, and the company name is WHMCS Smarters Private Limited. So they are looking for someone who has minimum 1 year of experience to join the growing team, perform manual testing of web applications, identify, document, and track bugs, work closely with developers to ensure quality delivery, prepare test cases, test scenarios. And if you're interested, you can apply by sending your resume to this email address. Then there's a requirement for manual testers, and the skill set required is Agile, Jira, SQL. Experience required is 1.5 to 5 years. Location is Gurugram. Notice period is immediate joiners. So you can send your CV to this particular email address, and these are the contact number. Then KSolves India is hiring for below profiles: Android developer, full stack developer, Odoo developer, senior UI UX designer, then QA engineer, manual plus automation, 3 to 5 years of experience. So all these opportunities are there with respect to Noida, Pune, Indore. For QA, it is a Noida-based location, and you can share your resume with the details at this email address itself, right? Then apart from this, there are multiple other opportunities. So yes, there's a company which is hiring for the freshers. So if you are looking to start a a career in the field of software testing, so you can apply here. They are hiring for QA engineer, 0 to 3 years of experience. Location is Ahmedabad, and you can share your CV to this email address. There's a name of the company, Ryzen. Then Third Digital is hiring for QA manual tester. Experience required is 2 to 4 years. So you can send your CV to this email address itself, right? So and we discussed about Infosys internships, and this is about internship, but we also discussed about 2024 hiring program, off campus program, right? So this is different. Infosys internship is with respect to 2026 is for the batch of 2026, 2027, and 2028 passed out. And the selection process is resume screening, technical project interview, HR interview, offer rollout. Stipend would be given, and duration would be 8 to 12 weeks, and it would be flexible start dates. So these are the qualifications, right? You should be from the computer science background, and the uh, academics is required is GPA should be greater than 4, minimum of 8 weeks would be there, right? So these are the opportunities from the Infosys internship company, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.